Good morning, children. Today is 1st Feb and thought of the week is do something today that your future self will thank you for. Children, now today is the last part of chapter 10, division of polynomial. As you know, we have started practice set 10.2 and in the yesterday's video we have seen that we have finished 5 sums of practice set 10.2. Let us start the 6th sum of division of polynomial. Okay, a raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1 is the polynomial and the divisor is a cube minus 2 as a divisor. Now here see the polynomial degree. Is it in the descending order? Yes. So write it as it is because we have to write the polynomial in descending order. A raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1. Okay, and now one by one the explanation part is given over here. Children, after finishing all these 6 to 7 sums from that exercise, I will be sending you the photocopy of that sums so that you can write down clearly. Okay, let us see how to divide this polynomial by a binomial. First we will take a cube minus 2 and we want a raised to 4 in the first term. So a cube is multiplied by which number or which term to get a raised to 4. So let us see, a cube minus 2 is multiplied with a to get a raised to 4 minus 2a. So here we will write in the quotient a and here a raised to 4. Second term is minus 2a. Where is a term? Here. So below a we will write minus 2a and rest of the terms we will keep as it is or you can put over here 0. Now put a negative sign as we are subtracting this minus and this minus will change to plus. So a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 cancel. Here the remainder is 0 and minus a cube plus a square as it is. Now here we have written plus sign beside 2a. So minus 1 plus 2 will become plus 1. So 1 we are not writing. So a plus 1 is left here. Now the first term is minus a cube. So we want a cube. So a cube minus 2 is multiplied with minus 1 to get minus a cube plus 2. So here in the quotient minus 1 we will write. Now when we multiply by minus 1 we get minus a cube. We get minus a cube plus 2. So plus 2 where you will write? Below 1 and rest of the digits will be as it is. Now minus a cube. Now a cube minus 2 is multiplied with minus 1. So what we will get? Minus a cube plus 2. So here minus a cube plus 2. Now put positive sign below negative sign, that is plus, and here minus. So minus a cube plus a cube get cancelled and here minus 2 is there. So plus 1 minus 2 means what we will left? Minus 1 and a square plus a is as it is. So what is the remainder now? A square plus a minus 1. Here our division ends. Why? Because the degree of the variable is 2 and here the divisor's variable degree is 3. So remainder degree is less than the divisor degree. So here division is stop. Now here what is the next part? We will write down all the division here. The explanation of why we stop the remainder. Why we stop the division. The degree of a square plus a minus 1. This is what? It is a remainder. Is less than the divisor a cube minus 2. Therefore it becomes the remainder. Now what is the quotient now? Quotient is a minus 1 and remainder is a square plus a minus 1. Now let us start the 7th sum. 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x plus 1. It is divided by 4x minus 1. So let us see in the next part. So here we will divide this polynomial. First of all we have to write the given polynomial in descending order. So 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube plus x square term is not here. So we will write 0x square minus 7x plus 1. Now what is the binomial? 4x minus 1 is the divisor. Now one by one we will write down in the explanation part. Explanation part is given in the next slide. Okay. So let us write 4x minus 1 is multiplied with x cube. Then only we will get 4x raised to 4. So 4x multiplied by x cube is 4x raised to 4 minus x cube multiplied by 1 is minus x cube. And now subtract it. This is minus and this will become plus. So cancel. Here is 0 minus 5 plus 1 means minus 4x cube. Here minus sign is not printed. Minus 4x cube plus 0x square. And rest of the terms also you can write it down or you can note down here only. Then here we got minus 4x cube. When we will get minus 4x cube? If you multiply 4x minus 1 by minus x square. So minus x square is multiplied with 4x minus 1 to get minus 4x cube plus x square. Then put a negative sign over here. It is negative already. So plus sign. This was earlier minus sign. Okay. So plus. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. And here it will become minus sign. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 1 we are not writing. Minus x square minus 7x. Now we want minus x square as a polynomial, as a remainder. So what we will write here? Now 4x is already here. Here is x square. So what we will write in the quotient? X upon 4. If you multiply 4x is multiplied with x upon 4, 4 and 4 get cancelled and we get x square, and we want x square only. That's why we are multiplying 4x minus 1 by x upon 4. Okay. So x upon 4, 4x is multiplied with x upon 4, we get minus x square, and x upon 4 is multiplied with minus 1, that means x upon 4, because minus and minus sign get plus. So in this way we got minus x square plus x upon 4. Now put a negative sign. Here is already negative, so plus sign, and here it becomes minus. These two terms get cancelled and we get remainder 0. Now here minus 7 is there, and here also minus x upon 4 means what? 1 upon 4 into x. So here minus 7 and minus 1 upon 4 we will subtract. So minus 7 upon 1 we will write, and 1 upon 4. As we do the cross multiplication, we get minus 29 upon 4. Minus, here minus sign is not printed over here. Minus 29 upon 4 we get, and x is here, so x. And plus 1 is left, so write down plus 1. Okay. Now minus 29 upon 4x we want now. So 4x minus 1 is multiplied by what number to get minus 29 upon 4? So if you multiply 4x multiplied by 29 upon 16, minus 29 upon 16. Why 16 here? Because you have to make the factors of 16 as 4 into 4, so that 4 and this 4 get cancelled, and 29 upon 4 is as it is. So we want minus 24 upon minus 29 upon 4. So multiply 4x minus 1 by minus 29 upon 16. Then what we get? This 4 and 4 get cancelled and we get minus 29 upon 4 into x. Then this minus sign and this minus sign get plus. So 29 upon 16 is multiplied with 1 to get 29 upon 16. Now put subtraction sign below it. Here is already subtraction sign, so plus sign, and here is minus. These two terms get cancelled and remainder is 0, and here plus 1 minus 29 upon 16. Plus 1 minus 29 upon 16, and plus 1 means 1 upon 1, do the cross multiplication. In this way we get minus 13 upon 16 is the remainder. Okay. So the fraction, how to take the fraction? First of all, decide what we want. So see the explanation now. Explanation: 4x minus 1 is multiplied with x cube. Then we got 4x raised to 4 minus x cube. Then 4x minus 1. So children, let's see the explanation part of 7th sum. 4x minus 1, this we have explained now. It is multiplied with x cube and we get 4x raised to 4 minus x cube. Second term, what we get? 4x minus 1 is multiplied with minus x square, and then we get minus 4x raised to 3, that means minus 4x cube plus x square. And the third term, 4x minus 1 is multiplied with minus x upon 4, and then we got minus x square plus x upon 4. And in the fourth term, when 4x minus 1 is multiplied with minus 29 upon 16, then we got minus 29 upon 4 into x plus 29 upon 16. So fourth term is what? Quotient fourth term is minus 29 upon 16. Here we stop the division. Why? Because the degree of minus 13 upon 16 is less than the divisor 4x minus 1. Okay, so it becomes the remainder. Now what is the quotient now? X cube minus x square minus x upon 4 minus 29 upon 16, and remainder is minus 13 upon 16. In this way, children, with explanation, the solved sums of practice set 10.2 I have solved on page, and I will send you all the sums of practice set 10.2 excluding 1, because 1 I have explained you and it is clearly seen in the slide. So from 2 to 7 I will be sending on page as a photocopy, as the image. Okay, now let's see the next part, that is 13th question of miscellaneous exercise 2 of this chapter, which is based on this chapter. So what is the miscellaneous exercise 2? Now we will start, and question number 13 of this chapter is there. Divide the polynomial 6x cube plus 11x square minus 10x minus 7 by the binomial 2x plus 1. Now here the binomial is given and we are dividing with the polynomial by binomial. So first we will write down the quotient and the remainder here at last. First we will write the polynomial in descending order. So 6x cube plus 11x square minus 10x minus 7, it is already in descending order. Then 2x plus 1. Now 2x plus 1 is multiplied by which term to get 6x cube? So we will multiply this 2x plus 1 by 3x square. So we get 6x cube plus 3x square. So we will write down this 3x square as a quotient, that is 3x square, and here what we get? 6x cube plus 3x square. Now subtraction sign below it, then this get cancelled, we get remainder as 0. Plus 11 minus 3 will become 8x square, then minus 10x we will copy down. Okay, then what we want now as a second term? We want 8x square. So when you will get 8x square if you multiply 2x plus 1 by 4x. So when we multiply by 4x, what we get? 8x square plus 4x. So here as a quotient what we will write? Plus 4x. Then what we get? 8x square plus 4x we will write. Now change the sign. Now this will be negative and this will be also, then this will be negative sign. Now 8x square minus 8x square cancel, minus 10x minus 4x will become minus 14x, and minus 7 is left. So write down minus 7x, minus 7 also. Now what we want? Minus 14. So 2x plus 1. So children, 2x plus 1 is multiplied with minus 7, and what we get? Minus 14x minus 7. So we will write minus 7 in the quotient part, this minus 7, and we get minus 14x minus 7. Now change the sign of the last terms. This minus sign will change to plus, this minus sign will change to plus. Minus 14x minus plus 14x cancel, minus 7 plus 7 also cancel. Here in the remainder we get 0. Now what is the quotient? 3x square plus 4x minus 7. Children, you have to do the practice of these sums, how to divide more and more. Okay, and now we will stop here and we'll see the next part in next slide.